Here's Colin. Today we are at the Boy Scout rocket launch. It's June 4th, 2016. Let's see your rocket, Colin. Do you want to point out any features?
So when you take off this, the parachute is gonna come out,
Cool.
but it won't come off. And you can remove this, and right here that
What?
engine will go.
Should we go sign in?
And Mom, I already heard a rocket launch.
I did too. That was so exciting. Oh, we gotta go, right?
Yeah.
All right, say bye.
Bye.
It's still tied.
They might have had a dud engine, huh?
Right.
Well, that's easy to fix, isn't it?
Right.
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
That was
Right.
Oh, it popped open and everything!
Go catch it. Hey, it's right here. Behind you. Behind. Launch rockets? Yeah. Young man, come on.